Here's a step-by-step guide on how to run targeted ads for your e-commerce store on Facebook and Instagram. 1. Set up your Facebook Business Manager. If you don't have one, create a Facebook Business Manager account. This is the central hub for managing your Facebook and Instagram ad campaigns. 2. Add your Facebook page and Instagram account to Business Manager. 3. Install the Facebook Pixel. The Facebook Pixel is a code snippet that you add to your website. It tracks user behavior and helps you create highly targeted ads. Follow Facebook's instructions to install the Pixel correctly on your website. This is what a Pixel looks like. Verify that the Pixel is working by checking the Events Manager and Business Manager. 4. Create your product catalog. In Business Manager, go to Commerce Manager and create a new product catalog. Upload your product information, including images, descriptions, prices, and URLs. Keep your catalog up to date to ensure accurate ads. 5. Define your target audience. This is crucial for successful ads. Consider your ideal customers. Demographics, age, gender, location. Interests, hobbies, brands they follow. Behaviors, past purchases, website activity. Facebook allows you to create detailed custom audiences and lookalike audiences based on your existing customer data. 6. Choose your ad objective. Determine the primary goal of your ad campaign. Common objectives include brand awareness and reach. Consideration, traffic, engagement, video views. Conversion, sales, leads, store visits. Your objective will influence the ad formats and bidding strategies you choose. 7. Design your ads. Create visually appealing ads with high-quality images or videos. Write compelling ad copy that highlights the benefits of your products. Use clear calls to action, e.g., shop now, learn more. Experiment with different ad formats. Single image or video ads. Carousel ads, multiple images or videos. Collection ads, showcase products in a lifestyle setting. 8. Set your budget and schedule. Determine how much you're willing to spend on your ad campaign. You can set a daily or lifetime budget. Choose the dates for your campaign to run. Consider using Facebook's ad scheduling feature to show ads when your target audience is most likely to be online. 9. Launch and monitor your campaign. Publish your ads and closely monitor their performance. Track metrics like impressions, clicks, and conversions. Use Facebook's Ads Manager to analyze data and make necessary adjustments to your targeting, bidding, and creative. Test different ad variations to see what works best. Tips for effective Facebook and Instagram ads. Retargeting. Show ads to people who have previously interacted with your website or products. Lookalike audiences target users who are similar to your existing customers. Dynamic product ads automatically show relevant products to users based on their browsing behavior. A/B testing. Experiment with different ad creatives, audiences, and placements to optimize performance. Mobile optimization. Ensure your ads look great and function well on mobile devices. Comply with policies. Follow Facebook's and Instagram's advertising guidelines to avoid issues. Additional considerations. Instagram shopping. If you have an Instagram business account, set up Instagram shopping to make it easy for users to purchase directly from your posts and stories. Facebook shops. Create a Facebook shop to showcase your products in a dedicated section of your Facebook page. Influencer marketing. Partner with influencers in your niche to promote your products to their followers. By following these steps and employing effective strategies, you can leverage the power of Facebook and Instagram advertising to drive targeted traffic to your e-commerce store and boost your sales. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions. Stay tuned for more.